Traffic here are crazy. 2 lane here and 2 lane over here, and the traffic is just endless, and there's tramway on the middle. If this is in Penang, I wonder what kind of curse word that they will use. Most Penanite will think that it is better to use a highway on a condition like this, but look at it, it could carry more persons, and look at the tramway. Look at just how many people that this tram carries. Versus with the highway, I think this win. Well, this could do well as a BRT. Look at that. I think there's some misplaced priority right here. The buses should be on the tram's track to speed up the transport. Here's come my tram.